Alright, so this is vector theorem, using vector theorem to factorize a cubic. So I'm going to use one of the examples that we did in the previous video on vector theorem alone. So we will take the function, let's say f of x, the first function we used, which was x cubed plus 2x squared, 2x squared minus 5x minus 6, and using trial and error we came up with x minus 2 is a factor of f of x. So pretty much what we have to do next is long division of the function by x minus 2. So we put the function inside a long division bracket, so x cubed plus 2x squared minus 5x minus 6. You put the factor outside, x minus 2, and we divide. So what multiplied by x will give you x cubed? Pretty much x squared, right? So we write x squared times x is x cubed. X squared times negative 2 is negative 2x squared. We minus, and so that becomes 0. So 2x squared minus negative 2x squared. So you have to be careful of these negatives and subtracting. So you end up with 4x squared. You can bring all that down, minus 5x minus 6. All right, so next, what multiplied by x will give you 4x squared? So plus 4x. So take that and multiply with x, you get 4x minus 8x. So if you minus, you end up with 0 here. Minus 5 minus 8 will be minus 5 plus 8 will be positive 3x minus 6. Oops, minus 6. So what multiplied by x would give you 3x plus 3. So 3 times x is 3x. 3 times negative 2 is negative 6. You will always end up with a 0 when you minus the last line, because x minus 2 is a factor. Therefore, the function f of x can be written as x minus 2 times x squared plus 4x plus 3. And you can use your laws of quadratics and factorize the second bit. So it will be x minus 2 into x plus 1 and x plus 3, because factors of 3 which add up to 4 is 1 and 3. And you have fully factorized a function. So let's do a long division again. If you have a factor, so I am going to take a function from the book. All right, so let's have a look at a function which, all right, so let's say, I'm going to rule that off. I said use a different color just to keep it separate. Okay, so let's say g of x equals 4x cubed minus 13x, 4x cubed minus 13x plus 6, and one of the factors is x plus 2. So let's do a long division and see what we come up with, because I guess you need a little bit of practice on long division. So you have 4x cubed minus 13x plus 6 divided by x plus 2. Incidentally, this is the second function we did in the vector theorem 1 video. Okay, so what multiplied by x will give you 4x cubed? So that will be 4x squared times that will be 4x cubed. 4x square times plus 2 would be plus 8x square. Now when you minus, the first one will give you 0, but then there's no x square term, so there will be 0 minus 8 will be negative 8x square. Then you bring the extras down, minus 13x plus 6. Okay, so there's an x square term now, so minus 8x square, so minus 8x, all right, minus 8x square minus 16x, and when you minus, the first will cancel, the second will be negative 13 plus 16, which is positive 3x plus 6 plus 3x plus 6. If you minus them, you end up with 0. Therefore, you end up with the function g of x being x plus 2 into 4x square minus 8x plus 3. Now this is a quadratic, and you can use the skills you've developed by factorizing a quadratic to be able to factorize that. If you need help with that, I can actually make another video for you. I can point you in the right direction. Alright, thank you for watching, and have a good day. Thank you.